What if I told you that you may never have to share your phone number on WhatsApp again? Well, after years of waiting, WhatsApp has finally introduced usernames, and this feature is a huge win for privacy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how it works and reserve your username and everything you need to know. Several users receive notifications for Reserve Username on WhatsApp Android or iPhone devices. We already created username on my WhatsApp. If you can't see the notification, check out below given steps to create username on WhatsApp. You can use Instagram or Facebook username as your WhatsApp username. Open the WhatsApp app to your Android device. Tap 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap Settings. Tap Account. Tap Username in the Your Account section. Tap Edit in the top right corner if you already created WhatsApp username to your Android or iOS devices. Here, you can change username or delete the username. Username are coming soon. Currently, only reserve the username you want to set. Tap Contact My by Username to set who can contact you using your username. Select from everyone or people who know my key. Share you username and key when connecting with someone for the first time without your phone number. And that's all about latest feature about WhatsApp username.